Introducing the world's first ever inflatable glamping tent by Lotus Belle Tents. The Airbeam Bud is the same unique shape and style of our flagship model, but lighter weight, weighing just 40 pounds and 10 by 10 feet, allowing for plenty of space to fit a queen-size bed. The Airbeam Bud is the answer to glamping on the go. Simply stake down the ground sheet, wall and roof guy lines, inflate, and presto, instant glamping.
I'm going to show you how to deflate this tent.
Yes, it's almost summer. For most of us, it means being outside, enjoying nature, camping with friends, relaxing at beaches, parks, or festivals. All these places are fantastic, but have one common downside. They tend to put us in these uncomfortable positions once we sit on the ground. Can this be the answer? Not really. It's way too bulky for quick and easy use. What we need must be smart, so you can take it wherever you go. Super lightweight and made of a special material, so strong that engineers use it in aerospace and aviation. A new generation of backrests. It's called the Backtab. So how does it work? First you have to mount the Backtab, which takes only a couple of seconds. Once you lean back, the Backtab will lift up slightly to fit your back perfectly. You can move your arms freely and lean comfortable for a long time. You may think now, wait a second, these sheets are just 4 millimeters or 0.15 inches thick. How can it hold a human body? Well, the material you're looking at is called glass fiber reinforced plastic, or just GRP. Just to give you an example of what this material is capable of, Engineers use it to build helicopter rotor blades. It's extremely strong, yet very light. The elasticity of the material improves the leaning comfort significantly because it makes the Backtab fit your back even better. It also ensures a slight swing motion, which erases the feeling of leaning against a hard and stiff object. Our GRP sheets are made in a respectable company located in Europe, produced by specialists who mastered their techniques for more than 70 years. To make our Backtab convenient as it is, we designed, with one of our partners from Europe, special kinds of hinges made out of high-quality stainless steel to fit the Backtab perfectly. The claws, as we call them, are also made out of GRP, milled by modern CNC machines to make sure every claw has the finest precision. The textile we used is water-repellent, tear-proof, and has two different sides. One side is PVC coated, which prevents the Backtab from slipping away, and the other side is soft and pleasant, optimal to sit on. I can honestly tell you that me and my team put all our hearts into creating the Backtab. And now convince yourself how the Backtab will change your way of spending free time outside, wherever you are. I hope you like it.
Everybody is in love with a good steak, and I wanted to create a grill which allows you to prepare this perfect steak at home. Introducing probably the fastest and most powerful grill ever, the Beef Chef. I love good food and I love entertaining my friends and family with this perfect grilling result. What I never liked was the waiting time for the grill to reach its temperature, and it was never hot enough. I was missing the emotional thing. Grilling under a cover doesn't allow you to see what you're doing. You cannot hear the sizzling of your beef. I wanted to develop a product which allows you to get the best out of your beef in a quality which normally is only achieved by the best chefs in the world. So that's why I reinvented grilling. Most barbecue grills get the heat from underneath. I was inspired by the French way of the rotisserie grill, where the heat comes from the side. The new grill should be fast, should be environmentally friendly due to low consumption, should be easy to use, ultra portable, and should give you back the fun of open fire. The challenge was finding the most suitable materials to master this insane heat and combine it all into a timeless design. I was supported by a very experienced team, because each and every one is an expert in his field. The development went surprisingly smooth. We met the right people at the right time, at the right spot, and it felt like this Beef Chef just had to be born.
Designing the Beef Chef was a very long process. We did over 100 concepts and worked on every little detail.
The features of the Beef Chef, to name just a few, are insane 800 degrees Celsius or 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Beef Chef is portable and it weighs only 8 kilos or 15 pounds. It's powered by a built-in gas cartridge, which is internationally available. The Beef Chef can also be connected to a large gas bottle. Vertical grilling position, 4 cooking levels with different temperature zones, which enables you to prepare the whole meal. The exclusive Beef Chef grill basket is easy to handle. Any kind of food, any size, can be placed safely in the basket. You can operate the grill basket single-handed, move the basket backwards and forwards. You can twist and turn it in a 3D manner and adjust the roasting to your liking. Another unique feature is the aperture in the grill basket to insert a core temperature meter. Flip the basket containing any kind of food in less than a second. Once you have inserted the meat in the mesh, it'll always stay straight. There is no spillage of moisture due to its vertical grilling position. And it's so easy to clean. The Beef Chef is the perfect tool for high temperature grilling. Even for unskilled people, it is easy to achieve a perfect result. Grilling with insane 800 degrees Celsius or 1500 degrees Fahrenheit means you get this perfect crust on the outside in less than a minute without overcooking on the inside. You want to grill a steak for your own or share it with a friend? Well, the Beef Chef is just the right tool for it. Switch it on and you're set to go. But you can also cater for a larger audience. Share your food with friends and family and enjoy show cooking at its very best. The Beef Chef is designed for those who want to grill healthier and for those who want to have this perfect steak fast, easy and convenient. I developed a lot of food appliances But this baby, I believe, is a game changer. The Beef Chef is function, is design, is quality, it's tangible, and by the way, it's probably the hardest and the fastest thing on earth. Everybody in our team has given its best to bring it to this point. The product is ready for production, we are fully certified, and now we want to offer this product at an affordable and a democratic price. This is why we want to mass produce it. And we want to go beyond. We want to create accessories and invest in new developments. Now we need you people with passion, motivation, and with good taste to make this dream come true. So get your own Beef Chef, spread the news, and be part of the grilling revolution.